Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So before we get started, you will need to grab a cable. You want to have it plugged into your computer. Once you have that ready, you can then turn off your tablet. Now, when the tablet turns off, you will then want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time, and when you start holding them, you want to immediately plug in the device. So this is just right now kind of like loosen here. So I'm gonna start holding these two buttons and plug it in. You'll see Samsung and then Galaxy. Once you see Galaxy, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And this will then take us to the recovery mode. So there we go, that is how you boot into the mode. Just close that. So, in here, to navigate, you will need to use your volume button. So, volume down will go down and up will go up. And quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, which takes us back to Android, Apply Updates from a DB or SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Run System, View Logs, Run Tests, Power off the device, and Repair Apps. So, once you stick with some option that you want to access, you'll then confirm it with the power button. So I want to reboot this device and go back to Android, so I'm gonna stick with the first option. All I need to do is confirm it. And so reboot the device and take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.